We're in El Paso, Texas, trying Kaedama for the first time. I got the spicy miso ramen. I don't even know where to begin, honey.
It's funny if we first met each other. Because we first of all, we both Christmas. Yeah. Like I had basketball shorts, a hoodie, shirt and hair, and then
Right.
This is gas.
like Converse, and then discussing like metal shirts, and the ones that are like all like disgusting. And so that went on. I think well, what we're gonna do is
You try that?
and two, it's just media.
See what I'm saying?
This is the best.
Tickets and
The best ramen ever. Abby, I wanted ramen so bad.
Those eggs are nice.
Looks good, babe. I forgot to record it, but we also got the pork gyoza, and then we also got the pork bun, or like the pork bao. They were both really, really good. I never had pork bao before. I usually would only do tofu just because I'm kind of weird about meat sometimes, but I really did enjoy it and always love gyoza.